The Stoics never relied on motivation. They relied on something stronger. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Motivation is fleeting. It depends on how you feel. But Stoic discipline? It depends on who you choose to be. They called it eudaimonia, living by principle, not pleasure. Every decision became a chance to practice virtue, courage, wisdom, self-control. In a world where emotions often dictate our actions, the Stoics remind us of the power of principle over passion. They understood that true strength lies not in waiting for a spark of inspiration, but in the resolve to act consistently, regardless of how we feel. This discipline leads us toward eudaimonia, our highest state of flourishing, where each choice reflects our commitment to virtue and character. Remember, it's not about feeling good to get started, it's about choosing to act with intent. Embrace your journey with resilience and steadfastness, as the Stoics did. The Stoics understood that life is an ongoing journey, shaped by our choices and actions. In a world driven by fleeting emotions, the Stoics teach us that the path to wisdom and truth lies in our choices, not our feelings. By embodying their principles, we cultivate character that withstands the tests of time. Choose virtue, and let it guide you through life's challenges. Modern reflection. You don't need to feel inspired to act. Act first. Let inspiration catch up. Motivation fades. Character remains. Stay focused. Stay stoic.